Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming identity. Do that now. Make sure the device clock and software are updated and your network is stable. Once done, open iForget. Apple, calm and type your Apple ID. This initiates the lock release flow. If you have a trusted device nearby, use it. If not, choose SMS or recovery key options. This first action is necessary because Apple requires a verified channel to send a verification code before any account changes proceed. Next, complete verification. This is the core step. When Apple sends a code, enter it immediately. Codes expire quickly. If you see an approval request on a trusted device, tap Approve and follow the prompts to view the code. If you have a recovery key, enter it exactly as shown, including hyphens. Once verified, you may be prompted to reset your password. Choose a strong, unique password and update it on all devices to restore full access. Finally, finish by signing back into iCloud on every device and confirm services like Messages and FaceTime work. If something fails, restart the device and try the verification flow again. Sometimes network or caching issues block the process. If recovery still won't work, contact Apple support. Have your device serial number and proof of purchase ready to speed verification. Remember, combining a recovery key with a trusted phone number gives the best chance to regain access quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.